Is your vehicle showing its age? Engine knock, rough idle, hard start, and poor gas mileage could be signs of carbon deposits in your engine. Turn back the clock on your vehicle with the BG Fuel System service to remove deposits and restore proper air and fuel flow. You'll notice the difference right away with quicker acceleration and a boost in both horsepower and gas mileage. And it's backed by the lifetime BG Protection Plan at no extra charge. Ask about the BG Fuel System service today.
BG